Yesterday, Thursday, we had just a day session yesterday. So yesterday, scenario 1, as yesterday. My scenario 1 was a test open, test lower, continue higher. So scenario 1 worked out. Not as straightforward. We opened, we had a brief dip down, very brief. It's almost scenario 3 really. Impulse up. My scenario 1 was test down to 28. We went down to 31 and then extend higher to overnight VPOC at 444 somewhere here. This is probably overnight VPOC. Pull back and then get to 450 mid-century figure. Mid-century figure 450, and from then on to 460 at the highest. That was my scenario 1 yesterday. So actually we didn't have scenario 1, we had scenario 3. On a 15-minute chart. My scenario 3. Test lower. Go to the 444, the 450, mid-century. That's just this one, and then to 460, which is this Stokes one. That was my scenario 1, but we actually did have scenario 3. Strong push up. We ended up with a 50-point range from 31 to 81, and we go back inside the previous day's range and tested the point of control. So a complete V bottom with the overnight session. Okay, so for today, scenario 1 in blue. We open on top of the overnight high, or at the high of the overnight session, which is at 41. Sorry, 91. 491. Scenario 1 is for a test lower. To the overnight mid. And the day session high. Like so. We have a composite high volume node, so test that. At 8175. Extend the range higher to the Stokes zone at 95 and the composite high volume node, this one. And the Stokes zone coming from here. And from then on, attack the century figure And from the century figure we extend up to 21 stalk zone. (36) 40 points of range. Scenario 1. Okay. (21) stalk zone. Oops. And the previous day's high. Scenario 2. We open. Test the century figure. Find our sellers. Go back into the range. Test the overnight mid. Day session high. In the composite high volume node. 81.75. Continue lower. Take out the overnight low. Bounce a little and then attack the value area and the previous VPOC. Scenario 2. Scenario 3. We've had some strong buying after the retail figures. So it is possible that we get a quick push down, followed by a driving move in the market, extending quickly up. Scenario 3. Scenario 4. The opposite. Push, quick push up, across the overnight low. To the VPOC. Yesterday. And down to the mid-century figure at 3,450. That would give us around 50 points of range. That's scenario 4. And that is that.